at the value of t, the ball reaches its maximum height and determine the maximum height. What is the maximum height on a quadratic function?
Vertex.
The vertex. So you're being asked to find the vertex in question number 1 and 2, the x and the y coordinate. This is your x coordinate, and this is your y coordinate. When does the ball reach the ground?
What's the x coordinate?
The x coordinate is the time,
Right.
and the y coordinate is the maximum height itself.
Right, and so then what about when it reaches the ground? That's gonna be a negative number because it starts at 280 feet or 300
That's
feet.
not gonna be, but that's when time is 0. When does it reach the ground? What do? Is it x equals 0?
Y equals 0.
Y equals 0. So you do want to make it equal to 0. You set y equal to 0, or your h of t has become 0. Solve. You have a nice quadratic equation that you can use your quadratic formula on. And once you've used your quadratic formula, you get 2 answers. I'm going to bet one of them is negative and the other one is positive. Which one do you use in your answer?
Negative.
The positive one, because
Time can't be negative.
time can't be negative.
Okay, so you just set it equals 0 and do a quadratic?
Yep,
Okay.
you're going. I'm
No,
making this
because-
way harder than it's supposed to be.
Yeah, no, I just don't see how you could set it equals 0 and without, I mean, just find the
Well, see,
quadratic,
ball,
right?
when the ball reaches the ground, this formula, this equation tells you how high above the ground the ball is. That's what this is telling you right here.
Right.
So when it's on the ground, it is at height 0.
Okay.
So that's why we put 0 in here, and then we can solve this.
Oh, so then we minus 300.
No, I use your quadratic
Okay,
formula because
whatever.
it's a mess.
Okay.
It's messy enough, you
I
probably
made a
don't want
note
to do
of
the
that.
rest of it.
Will you
Taylor,
just do it there, guys?
just
Oh
do
my
it.
gosh.
The whole thing?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. No, right, yeah. I don't remember that was in number 6. Probably
Negative 16 t squared. I should probably get one that you can read
Yeah.
better. Plus 20t. Minus the plus 300.
And
So
our
which one am I supposed to do?
quadratic formula.
Okay, so I'm going to do 0 equals negative 16t squared plus 20t plus 300. So that will give me, t will be negative b. What's b here?
20.
20, so it'll be negative 20 plus or minus the square root of b squared, so 20 squared, minus 4 times a, which is
Negative 16.
negative 16, times c, which is
300.
300, all divided by 2 times a, which you told me was negative 16. So I have negative 20 plus or minus the square root of 400. Let's pull out the calculator and find out what that is. Plus 19,200, sorry, missed a 0 there. All divided by negative 32. So far, so good? Okay.
19,600?
I got 19,200. Did I not multiply by the rest?
No, add 400 to it. 19,600.
Okay. Yeah, I'm checking to see if that's going to have a nice square root. Oh, it does. Oh, come on. Don't you get happy when it's nice and easy numbers to deal with? Seriously. So, t equals negative 20 plus or minus the square root of 19,600, which turns out to be 140, divided by negative 32. So I'm going to get 2 t's. One of them is negative 20 plus 140 divided by negative 32. And the other one is negative 20 minus 140 divided by negative 32. The top one
Is a negative number.
is the negative 3.75. And the bottom one is a lovely number 5. So which one do I put in there?
5.
5.
5.
So what's the,
So wait, T is 5.
So T is 5 for when the ball reaches the ground.
You just gotta figure out.
And then you have to